Hi students, let's study 9th standard ICSE English Literature, Poem 3, I Remember, I Remember. Do you remember your childhood? Oh, you are still enjoying it. In this poem, the poet reminisces about his childhood days. Days of zero responsibility, complete fun. In this poem, every stanza begins with I remember, I remember. Such a figure of speech is called anaphora. The poet is nostalgic about his childhood. He remembers, he has fond memories, those innocent days, a simple life where you can derive happiness out of anything in your surroundings. Stress-free lifestyle, and that's why he believes that childhood is definitely better than adulthood. So all those who want to try their hand at adulting, be careful what you wish for. He remembers how in the morning the sun rays would peep through the window, and at that time he had time to actually enjoy these tiny phenomena. He enjoyed the roses which are red and white, the violets, the lily cups, the lilacs, where the robin built its nest while Batman was working in the Batcave. He remembers the laburnum tree which was planted by his brother on his birthday. And even now, that tree still exists, reminding him of those fond memories associated with it. He remembers how he would enjoy swinging on the swing, feel the breeze on his face, and he would often wonder, do swallows, that is birds, do swallows also feel the rush of the air similarly when they are flying? He would also be reminded that if he would stand up on the swing, then his center of gravity would rise and the length of the pendulum would decrease, increasing his frequency of oscillation. He remembered the summer pools in which he would dive in on a hot day. But as an adult, he cannot really enjoy any of these. He's just so caught up in work and responsibilities. He remembers thinking that the fir trees, which are so tall and dark, were touching the sky. Now, as a kid, he believed in many myths. Probably he believed in the Santa Claus and unicorns. But this bubble bursts when you grow up. You realize that the world is not as magical as you believed it was when you were a kid. Because as an adult, you realize that heaven is actually far, far away and it's out of reach. So where's the fun in that? He wishes that he had never grown into an adult. He would have remained a child because he feels that ignorance is bliss. Not knowing about the harsh realities of the world would have made his life so much happier. What do you think? Do you feel that your adulthood would be more boring than your childhood? Or are you eager to become an adult and independent and take on all the responsibilities? One advantage of being an adult is that you will no longer get any homework from me. Now read the notes and prepare for the test. Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.